Welcome back to another video. Today's video is a very chill video. I'm here on Ashley's room floor and I'm just going to show you guys how I trim my ends. After I did the video about how to know when you need to trim your ends, I realized that my ends are pretty bad and I need to get a trim. And I'm afraid to make nobody trim my hair, so I have to do it myself. Okay, so my hair, I wanted to cut it curl by curl. I'm just going to use some conditioner and some water to help to give some kind of definition, so I can cut each curl by curl, cut. So I can just cut my hair curl by curl, basically. So I'm going to wet it now. I actually want to use that's why I thought to make that sound. So I don't want to get my hair too wet, just kind of damp, so I can see some kind of definition, some curl coming through. Doesn't need to be perfect or anything. I'm going to just cut an inch off of each section. So off this curl, I would just cut this. I'm trying to retain the length of my hair. I don't really want to cut a lot off of it. I can't multitask very well. As I smooth through my hair, I can kind of feel where it tapers off or start to thin out, and that's the part that I'm cutting off. Ask me question and answer.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Where do I see myself in 5 years? I see myself not going to school anymore. So guys, subscribers out there, people that watch my video, I realized that we don't really have a bond, or we're not as close, our friendship isn't as close as I would like it to be. You guys can talk to me, you guys can comment on my videos, you guys don't have to be afraid. I'm just as nice as Ashley is. I'm nicer than Ashley in real life, you hear? But I just don't know how to show that on camera. But I really do love you guys and appreciate the support, but I just don't know how to put that into the videos. I really do appreciate it. See, I can't even look at you guys because I'm so shy and I don't know, I'm afraid of people. But you guys can talk to me, you guys can comment, and I'll definitely respond. I was really afraid of doing this, but no, I'm just going with the flow and it's working out. I feel the difference down here, the part that I've cut so far. I know you guys never see much of me in 2015 to 2017. Some of you probably never even know that it's me and Ashley channel, and they probably just think it's Ashley channel and I feature on it sometimes. But that's my fault still, because I have been MIA since the start and I'm trying to make up for that. You guys probably see me more in 2018 than ever before, and I'm here and I'm here to stay. But I'm trying my best to be here for you guys. I'm trying my best to be here, be more consistent. I never usually cut my hair like this ever. I usually just sum up my hair or blow up my hair and then put it in halves and then tie the ends and just cut the end of all of that, like probably 2 inches off one time, just like that. But from research or from a lot of Ashley and a lot of other YouTubers, I realized that a lot of curly hair people cut their hair curl by curl. I realized that when you cut your hair, you curl your hair this way, it's more accurate, and especially on dry curly hair. My hair is kind of damp now, but on dry curly hair, you actually see what you're getting. When I say see what you're getting, I mean like when your hair is dry and blowed out and you cut your hair, you see how much you really cut off after your hair is styled and your hair curl up. You see what your hair really looks like, or how the cut really is after you style your hair. So when you cut it this way, you actually see what you hair. You basically see the end result while you're doing it. It's not like you get a surprise after you actually do your hair, like when you go to salons and they do your hair dry and then you go home and wash it and then you want ball. I'm done cutting all, if not most, of my hair, and I left this section right here to compare the cut side versus the uncut side. So I'm just going to do my big review and show you guys the difference. So this is the cut side. There's no tapering whatsoever. Do you see that? So there's no tapering here, it just curls perfectly. So this is the cut side, and now I'm going to show you guys the uncut side by doing the same thing. So I'm smoothing through my hair. It does curl, but the curls aren't as perfect. The ends are kinda strangly or stringy, as you can see. The ends are strangly, they aren't as perfect and blunt ended as the ones before. So this is basically what I was trying to get rid of, just to get that perfect blunt curl. And I'm going to cut off this much to give it that perfect curl. Okay guys, so that's it. Thank you for tuning into another video. You guys can definitely use this video to help you with cutting your hair curl by curl. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Why are you doing it over?
Thank you guys for watching. Bye. All I need to say is bye.
Yeah.